Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, on a day when Gayle became the highest run scorer for the West Indies in one-day international cricket, the Caribbean men went down by 59 runs to India on Duckworth Lewis in Trinidad and Tobago. Gayle scored only 11 runs with his first 6, taking him past Brian Lara as the Caribbean side's leading ODI run-getter. The Windies were, however, unable to mark the occasion with victory as they were dismissed for 210 after being set a revised 270 runs to get off 46 overs. Opener Evan Lewis, 65, and Nicholas Puran, 42, were the top scorers as Bhuvaneshwar Kumar bagged 4 for 31. Earlier, India's captain Virat Kohli, 120, scored his 42nd ODI century in taking his team to 279 for 7 batting first. Shiraz Iyer also made 71 as Carlos Brathwaite had 3 for 53.
Very well to come back in the game and the finish that we had in the innings was very good. But obviously we had it set up quite nicely, but we lost wickets at crucial stage. I think we lost 3 or 4 wickets for very little runs at the back end there, which really cost us.
Yeah, look, good outing with the bat, I guess. Exactly why we wanted to bat first. If you saw the later half of the West Indies innings, it got more and more difficult to bat. I think the rain in between really helped them in those middle overs, otherwise the wicket would have been even tougher to bat on. So that's what we experienced in the first half, and we knew that anything over 270 is going to be challenging to get. Yeah, felt good to get 100, especially when the team wanted me to get one.
This is very clever.
The third and the final ODI will be played on Wednesday, with India leading the series 1-0 after the first was declared a no result due to rain.